Hi, welcome to How to Use Mac. Today, I'm going to show you how to change back screensaver and background pictures. First, find System Preferences. Most of you would find it at dock, or you can press the Apple icon and press System Preferences. Find Desktop and Screensaver. Then at Desktop, you may change your desktop colors into anything. And also, if you want to find photos from yourself, you can go to Desktop and download your best picture and put it on here. If you want to change screensaver, press screensaver. There is a lot of screensaver for you to choose. And you can find one by one, choose one by one. It's up to you which one you want. Some of them even have screensaver options, like this, or maybe even this. And you could try you can try. If you choose this sort of picture, you can even go to choose your favorite things. And thanks for watching this video. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you next.